Hi, this is Richard Jacobs from Speakeasy Marketing, and today I'm going to talk about a common question I hear from attorneys. When we're talking to new attorneys and seeing if they want to join us and have us do their marketing, some of them will say, well, I looked at your clients' websites, and your clients aren't number one for Los Angeles DUI lawyer or New York DUI attorney or Dallas divorce lawyer, so you must not be doing a good job, and I'm not going to sign up with you. But I'm here today to show you why that's a mistaken way of looking at about how your website performs. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you the name of the firm because they'd get upset to maintain their privacy. But this is a firm that I work with. They're very, very, very successful. I'm in what's called Google Analytics right now. Okay, it's a free tool that you can add to your website. It'll show you the back end. It'll show you how many visitors you get a day. So what I've done is I picked the period of July 13th, 2013 to September 13th, 2013 over here. And I'm going to mouse over some of these data points. It'll show you the day and how many visits they got. Okay. And what I've done is I've taken out all visitors except for Google searchers. Okay. So you can see these guys get 100 a day, sometimes less than that, sometimes 110, 115. Now this website does very well. 100 a day is probably the top 2% of attorney websites get this many visitors. These guys are doing well. They're getting multiple calls every single day from potential clients. Their site's mature. They're doing really, really well, making a lot of money from their website. And you would think that these guys are number one for the golden keywords everyone talks about, XYZ criminal defense attorney, or ABC city name DUI lawyer. I'm going to actually show you their keywords, okay? So remember, now we've got 2 months worth of searches, all right? Let's see, let's scroll down here. So total number of searches, I'm going to scroll way down because I listed a lot of keywords. Total number of searches is 1,475 different things were typed into Google over 2 months. So let's take a minute and think about that. If only a few keywords mattered, why would they get almost 1,500 different things typed into Google that led people to their website? I'm going to tell you that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to be on the first page of Google for, again, divorce lawyer Kansas City, or best bankruptcy lawyer Minneapolis. That stuff does not matter. It's not going to get you the searches you want. It's not the true measure of success. And this is one reason why. If only a few keywords mattered, out of all these searches, they would have been, only maybe 20 different keywords, but there's 1,500 of them. And I've looked at sites over a year with 400,000 searches, of which 360,000 different things were typed in. Let's look at some of the keywords that people typed in. And I'm not just going to pick junk keywords. Let's scroll up for a minute. I'm going to show you why. Okay. All right. Some of the data here is number of visits. You'll see how many visits people came in typing that keyword. Pages per visits, how many pages on the website they went through. This is important. Average visit duration. People that spent 0 seconds, Google couldn't track them, or they just were on one page. But some of them spent 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 16 minutes. These people are serious searchers. They're spending time looking at the website. These are the people that are going to call you, okay? So I'm just going to sort by average visit duration. We'll go after the juiciest ones, all right? So let's start looking at some of these keywords, okay? Here's one. Okay, so we got one for 30 minutes. Criminal defense attorney, Utah. Now that is one that people think is a great keyword, very important. But guess what? Out of all the searches, 2 of them were that keyword. Out of 1,500, 2 were that keyword. Can you make a living off 2 searches? No, you can't. Okay, here we go. What is a third-degree felony in the state of Utah? 28 minutes. First offense, alcohol ticket, Utah. Offense is spelled wrong. Let's see. Are roadblocks legal? Utah DLD, which is Driver's License Division Hearing Officer. Let's see. Utah DLD hearing. Let's see. Officer's failure to properly observe Baker, Utah. That could be an attorney searching. Why are DUI checkpoints legal? Price of getting vehicle out of impound for narcotics, 16 minutes. Okay. Minor felony offenses, felonies in Utah. Here's one: Salt Lake DUI attorney. Again, one of those golden keywords you think is great. Look how many times it was searched. One. Not 1,500, one. Let's see, some other good ones. Drug possession charges. What is the legal drinking limit for boating in Lake Powell, Utah? So as you can see, people search on things you'd never imagine they would search on. They search on all kinds of stuff, which I think may surprise you. So what does this boil down to? This boils down to a healthy website, healthy meaning one that gets you calls from real potential clients that you can retain and make money from, which is what you guys care about, right? A healthy website will not appear on the first page of Google for these few chosen golden keywords. It won't. It'll appear on the page 1 of Google for thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of different keywords. I don't know what those keywords are going to be, neither do you, until they're searched on. And yes, I have a way to get you on page 1 for thousands of different keywords. But as you can see, could you have guessed that these are the keywords that are getting good business for this attorney? Nope, neither could I. But thematically, the themes that these keywords talk about, that we can go after with a good content strategy on your website. So again, I wanted to show you this to dispel the myth that getting on the page 1, first page of Google is going to make you all this money, it's going to get you all this great stuff. It's not. And I think that this video proves it, and I hope you find it useful. After viewing it, if you got any questions or anything, you want to contest this, just let me know. But here it is, evidence, proof of fact. Hope this helps. Take care.